very well. I know tell you that. So, lack of time, ocean of tears, value of death, needs of life. A person who there will do type of this. Sure that just like me condition there shall not them around. The devoted love far better. Understand? Enjoy for anything you will like with a female species. Right now no problem. Suppose that you are truly love. Imagination, keeper confront, do not follow. What will you done? The result of your there will come out.
But you know,
in your family affect the our future. Sure that understand.
What is your name, by the way? What is your name, my friend?
So
what is your name?
Amir.
Amir.
Yeah.
And where do you live?
Calling name don't have real name. I know tell you that. Amir is every person knows very well. Amir, how are you?
And where do you live?
I will give you a contribution all the money, some food.
Guys, I'll introduce you one person here. His name is Amir, and as you can see, his condition is not good, but his English is very fantastic. As you can see, he's a beggar, but still he can speak English better than me, better than many people.
Hurry up, it's I'm so late. I'm going to get a second. I shall meet. So already also ready.
You are
lots of friend.
You seem to be educated person, right?
Why? Because it is a luck of the matter. It is luck of the 1 rupees, 2 rupees. Same just like you think this way. You are giving in part for the 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and through yourself every person alive in passing our life with a very good understand. It is luck of the matter. Is it luck of the educated? No problem. It's enough.
My friend, one question I have. If I will give you 5 rupees, how it will
in our life? But probably one thing failure there is reached to 9 hotel before I go long.
So what do you do with that money?
In the world. Like this.
Amir, what do you do with that money? What do you do?
So like the already completely just you are going over. You are not.